Good morning students. Welcome to eSuvidya. Hope you all are fine and safe. Students, in the previous class we have completed the chapter Mongoose. Today I am summing up the theme of the chapter and we will discuss some comprehension questions. Students, as we have discussed, a mongoose is a small tropical animal with a long tail that eats snakes, rats, birds, eggs, etc. Usually, they love to hunt together in groups. And whenever they are hunting in groups, they always look out for the other animals from whom they have the danger. They always remain alert. They always remain attentive in order to protect themselves and their group members. And as we have discussed, mongooses are amusing animals. They are very much entertaining and funny animals. While poking their noses into holes or overturning rocks or scratching the ground, they appear very funny and entertaining. And it is a common sight in Africa. They move in groups of 20 members and they search for beetles and millipedes, like small insects like creatures. And whenever they go for hunting, what they do? They always remain alert and attentive. They always remain alert and attentive when they are behind rocks or behind bushes. By continuously producing twittering sounds, they remain connected with other group members. And whenever anything appears suspicious or when there is any possible threat from hawks and eagles, or when anything appears suspicious or doubtful, then they started giving the alarm call. They started giving the alarm call or a warning bell of danger. They started giving a special type of sound. They started making a special type of a sound, or they started giving the warning to the other mongooses so that they would remain alert and can save their life. And as we have discussed that mongooses are famous for being able to kill snakes without being hurt. So their reaction to the strike of the snake is so sudden that the snake, they protect themselves from the possible danger or the violent attack of the snakes. Whenever a snake strikes, then suddenly a mongoose dodges to one side. That means to shift to one side in order to protect itself from the violent attack or from the sudden violent attack. So this is how the mongoose fights with the snake, and sometimes they fight in groups with the snakes. And whenever a snake attacks, then what happened? They started dodging to one side, started moving to one side, and this process continues till the snake gets tired. And when the snake gets tired, then they dive in and hold the snake and kill the snake. This is how the mongoose kill the snakes. Or this is how the mongooses kill the snakes. So for this reason, they are known as famous, or they are very much famous for killing snakes without being hurt. And as we have discussed that every female mongoose have kittens, young mongooses are called kittens, and they live in dens. Den is just place of a dwelling of some animals, and generally mongooses live in the old termite hills. Termite white ant. Termite means white ants, and hollow, and inside the hollow logs, or inside the empty logs, inside the empty logs or hollow logs, or inside the old termite hills. Termites are the white ant hills. Okay, so old termite hills are inside the empty logs. The mongooses and their kittens live, and they are being taken, and the other members of the mongoose family, or all the members started taking care of the young kittens or the kittens. So it is just appear like a group responsibility to take care of the young ones. And what happens when the adult persons go for searching food? Then one or two male members will remain just near the den as a guard in order to protect the kittens from the possible danger. Till the return of the adult members, they will remain guard there till night. Till the adult members return, they will remain guard there. They will stand there just to protect the young kittens or the young ones or young mongooses. So this is how the mongooses are regarded as very interesting animals. They are very amusing animals, and also mongooses are known for their unity. They live in groups. They prefer to hunt in groups, and whenever there is any possible attack, possible danger, whenever there is any possible attack or there is any suspicious environment is found, they inform to the other members by giving alarm calls, and they remain connected with each other by making twittering sounds. And they are famous snake killers, and also the young kittens are looked after by whom? By the members of the adult members. They stand guard. One or two male members will stand guard just near the what? Just near the den, in order to protect the young kittens from the possible attack or from the possible danger. In order to protect them from the possible danger. So students, this is the theme of the chapter mongoose. So let's discuss some comprehension questions from this chapter. What are mongooses famous for? Students, as you know, mongooses are famous for being able to kill snakes without getting hurt themselves. So mongooses are famous for being able to kill snakes without getting hurt themselves. As we have discussed that mongooses make sudden body reactions, they dodge to one side, and by dodging they protect themselves from what? From the strike of the snake. So when a snake strikes, then the mongoose or a mongoose move to one side to protect itself. So for this reason, the question is, what are mongooses famous for? Okay, mongooses are famous for being able to kill snakes without getting hurt themselves. Next question, what is special about their killing snakes? What is special about their killing snakes? We know reactions of the mongooses are so fast that they can dodge each time the snake strikes. So each time the snake attacks violently, each time the snake strikes, then the mongoose can go? They can dodge each time. They can dodge each time means they can move to one side each time the snake strikes. They continually dodge snakes attack until after a while the snake get tired. So continually they started dodging the snake attack until the snake get tired. Okay, so for this reason, in this way the mongooses kill the snakes. So this is the special quality of the mongooses mongooses for killing the snakes. So this is special about what is special about their killing snakes, and this is, and as we have discussed, this is how mongooses kill the snakes. Where do mongooses live? Where do mongooses live? Students, as we have discussed, mongooses live. Generally, mongooses live in a den. They live in a den made inside an old termite hill. You know, termite means white ants. Okay, termite hill or hollow log. So mongooses live in a den, and these dens are made inside what? Inside an old termite hill or hollow log or empty log. So students, let's have a look at mental talk. Mongooses have unity. They hunt together. Students, as we have discussed, mongooses have unity. They usually prefer to hunt in groups, and they remain connected with each other while hunting. Whenever they are behind the rocks or behind the bushes, they remain connected with each other by producing twittering sounds, the continuous sound. And whenever any suspicious thing is found, when there is any possible danger, it is suspected from anywhere, then they make alarm calls in order to warn the other members. So it is told, if you want to learn unity, learn from mongooses. Okay, if you want to learn unity, learn from mongooses. How they remain united even at the time of danger. How they remain connected with each other when they are going for hunting, and how every member took an important role in the community or in the group. Some members guard the children, some members go for searching the food, and they remain connected with each other. So mongooses are known for their unity. So students, today we have completed the chapter Mongoose. You read this chapter thoroughly, at least 2-3 times, and try to answer the comprehension questions based on the text. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you in the next class.